Watch until end, guys, sa ating vlog. This is a very simple but delicious recipe. Watch until end, don't skip odds. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. And today's vlog, guys, let's cook chicken strips. So let's use breast part of chicken. First is tanggalan natin siya ng skin, guys, kasi mayroon siyang include na skin. So hindi natin isasama yan. So this one is my own version, a little bit spicy. Spicy, not hot, spicy lang. So atin siyang hiwain na strip size. Oh no. Please watch until end, guys. A very simple but of course delicious. So, ayan. I always use this plastic, guys, para ayaw kong maghugas ng ano. Actually, hindi naman yan nabubutas eh. So, let's slice a chicken strips like this. Okay? Home cook is always the best. The best talaga ang luto ng bahay. So, better than take out. Low calorie meat. So, guys, kuhain natin siya ng ganyan. And keep watching, guys. So, ayan na, guys. Na-slice na natin. At this time, lagyan po natin siya ng seasoning or marinate. Vinegar, black pepper and salt, paprika powder, so add extra ano ba to? Then basil nga ba ito? Basil. Extra aroma. And black soy sauce. This one, guys, is crispy strips. Then rice wine. Small amount only. Then let's marinate for almost 30 minutes or at least 1 hour. At least 30 minutes pwede na. Para manunuot ang kanyang lasa. The taste of seasoning would be deepest into the meat. Deepest din. So ayan, guys. Better than take out. Let's cook. Let's inspire others to cook than to buy ready to eat. Okay, you can control and you can sure that your food is healthy and good for health. Healthy na, good for health pa. Kung saan ka pa niyan. So yan, guys, i-marinate na siya at least 30 minutes. So keep watching. So yan, guys, after marinating, guys, ilagay po natin siya ngayon sa all-purpose flour. This way is my original way to coat flour. Okay? Okay. Then on the top, let's put a all-purpose flour. Okay? Direct. Wala nang maraming ik-ik. Tapos natin siya ngayong palubuhin ng konti, lagyan ng hangin at ugain. Pupunugan. Hindi magkakadumi ang kamay mo. Tingin mo ay okay na o perfect, diba? Let's see. One by one, guys, meron ng flour, okay? Then let's crack the eggs. Oh, as in crack talaga siya. Wow. Let's crack the eggs. And on that eggs, let's put a little bit of rice wine to lessen the bad smell of the egg. A little bit only, okay? When you put a lot, hindi na siya mag-coat. Magiging malasaw na siya. Okay. Then let's put the chicken coated with all-purpose flour. I don't want to use my hand. Just only tongari corn. Okay, and let's continue later on for that part. And on this part, let's put a fire. Uy, lumipad sa langit. Fire of our fry pan. So, ayan na siya guys. Atin na siyang ilagay ngayon sa ating breadcrumbs. Masarap, malinamnam kasi meron siyang vinegar. The best is to put a vinegar on your marinade chicken. Sa ganun ay magiging malasa siya. Okay? Better to buy or better than take out. Wow. Ay, siya. Ano yun? Do not fall down. Ay. Why you are falling down? Okay. So, ayun guys. Luto na po yung ating first batch. Masarap pa to guys sa popular na fast food. I-try nyo guys with vinegar. Pag nag-marinate kayo with vinegar, kahit wala na siyang sodium, ay ano ba ito? Ang tawag doon sa bitchin. Kahit wala nang ganun guys, manamis-namis na siya. As in. So ayan guys, we have here gulay guys. At atin nang i-finalize yung ating food. Para kumain na ng dinner yung ating bunsoy. This one is tartar sauce guys. Ilagay natin siya. Diyan. And tonkatsu sauce. So, yan na. Better than take out. Medyo matrabaho siya, pero masarap ang guhan. So, until here guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy our vlog. At ito, patuloy pa ako nagluluto dito. Thank you so much guys for watching until here. Bye-bye!